This is Mr. Cheadle, and we will be identifying types of reactions today. The reactions to my right and above my head are just generic equations designed to help you figure out what reaction you are looking at. Now please remember, to the left of the arrow is the reactants, and to the right of the arrow is the products. The first reaction we will look at is on the bottom. It is a synthesis reaction. In a synthesis, you will have one or more compounds or elements coming together on the reactant side to form one compound on the product side. In this case, we have A plus B going to AB, showing that you have one or more things combining together to form one compound on the right side, also known as the products. The second reaction is a decomposition. In a decomposition, this is the exact opposite of a synthesis reaction, where we will start with one compound, and it will break apart into two or more compounds, or two or more elements. In this reaction, it is shown on the reactant side we have AB, and then it splits apart on the product side to A plus B. The third reaction is a single replacement reaction. This is also known as a single displacement reaction. On the reactant side, we have A plus BC. On the product side, we have B plus AC. This represents a single element, A, reacting with a compound, BC, on the left side of the equation. On the right side of the equation, A and B switch. They switch because A is more reactive than B. Therefore, A will kick it out and react with C. The fourth type of reaction is a double displacement reaction, where we have AB plus CD going to AD plus CB. This means you will have two compounds on the left side, and they will swap. A will move to D, C will move to B. So you have two things switching, but the difference between this and a single displacement is that you start off with two compounds on the left side of the reaction, whereas in the single replacement you have a compound and a single element. And finally, the fifth type of reaction is a combustion reaction. Normally, a combustion reaction will have a carbon compound with hydrogen, and it will react with oxygen by itself. And you will get carbon dioxide and water. Now, you will also end up with heat oftentimes, and your combustion reaction is your typical explosion or some sort of fire type of reaction. It is very easy to distinguish because of the oxygen by itself on the reactant side and carbon dioxide and water being formed on the product side. So I hope this helps. Thank you very much.